Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining today meeting. As a project manager, I've called this meeting to discuss the next steps for our upcoming project, specifically the planning for the facility adjustment and how customer insight can guide us through this. Let's start by identifying the purpose of this meeting. What are your thoughts, Beric and Pika? Great. So it seems like the main need for this meeting is to align the facility modification with both operational requirements and customer expectation. Now, when can we schedule the follow-up meeting to go into more details? Let's look at our availability. Thursday morning, it is, let's say, 10 a.m. I send the invite after this meeting. Perfect. Now let's summarize that we've discussed today. We've identified that the main focus of the meeting is to ensure the facility adjustments match the operational and customer service needs. We'll reconvene on Thursday at 10 a.m. to dive the specific requirements. After this meeting, I'll send an email summarizing today's discussion.